Hi, my name is Sai Hemant. I have allotted in Subbiah Institute of Medical Science, Shimoga. I choose this NEET journey because, other journey and all, it's just the casual work, and the medical journey, it's studying about the human life. So, it's very exciting for me. So I have choose this journey. And after the NEET exam, so we prepare 2 years for the NEET exam. So giving NEET exam is one of the important thing, and so securing a rank is very important in NEET, but that's not it. So securing a rank in NEET is just the 50%. So all the counseling process and how well are we doing the counseling process and prioritizing our colleges is the other 50%, which gives us success at the end. So I have, after the NEET result is allotted, I have been seeing who can handle my counseling process, because that's the main thing. If we do any small mistake in the counseling process, we may lose our seat. So I have attended some medical mentor webinars. So and they seem really helpful. So in that they have said that for every rank there is a medical seat. It's just that how good we handhold the counseling process and prioritize our college. So and one of my friend also did through medical mentor counseling, my senior, and he have got good result through them. So even I have decided to take medical mentor, and I have took their subscription. Through the day one till when I got allotted, they were really helpful, and they have created a separate WhatsApp group for their clients, and every day 24/7 they used to send all the updates on time. It was really helpful. So I used to come down to the office for everything, registration, doing counseling. So they were here available even day and night during the counseling process and registration time, and they helped me really. And they were very friendly, and all my registration, counseling, until I got allotted to the seat, they were taking care of me, and I'm really I'm happy, and I'm really excited for my new journey in the medical life. And really medical mentor has supported me so much, and I'm really happy I got a seat. And I recommend everyone to take medical mentor, because just getting marks is not important. It is how good you do your counseling process, and their expertise in this, how good you do their counseling process. And when I came to the office, I felt confident that I would get a seat here, and because I found the vibe here coming down here, that everyone is here supportive. I recommend everyone to come down here to office and look at this. So it was a really wonderful journey with medical mentor.